Hey guys, so this is our room. This is my room. That's a small bathroom. The room is quite nice, and we got this room in 1500. And it's a bed. It's my camera bag, my phone and wallet, and simple and sober. That's the ground, and over there's a pool. So right now I'm having a tea. Then we will hopefully go to the pool side, and we are very tired. The drive is approx of 12 hours. So finally we reach. So see you guys. Okay, so right now I'm at the Vintage Car Collection Museum. So that's the place, and here's my ticket. I'm here alone because none of them is interested in cars. So I'm the only car person. So have a look.